Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be unboxing a phone that I bought just to do a drop test on. It only cost me like $5 or something. And I kind of want to drop test one of these because it's kind of got a glass screen, a glass internal layer. It's really weird. It's the Casio Ravine though. These are the people I bought it from on eBay. You can check them out. They have a lot of phones on their eBay page. So here it is. The hinge is a little loose. Like I said, it's pretty rough. But I really just wanted to buy it just to drop test it. So, but this piece right here is glass. So I want to see how it does. I already have one of these. They're in really good shape. So, I have a battery here, but I'm not sure if it's the right one. Looks like I was right. Also have this battery. Like I said, I've already had parts for this one because I've had a couple of these come in that are broken. Both the screens are good. That's been factory reset. Sweet. Well, it'll make a good drop test one. Like I said, it's really rough. The hinge is pretty rough too. It's missing the charging port cover. Yeah, just drop test it. We'll see how it does. I'm kind of curious to see how it does with this being glass on the inside. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I got a couple more actually before we go. I got this C139 we're going to be drop testing. And there's another one that I was going to be drop testing. I'm looking for another screen for my other Pixel 2. Because I broke this one. So hopefully I can find a screen for it. That's like around $40. Trying to find one for around 40, but so we'll see. But nice to have that back. I did buy a Pixel 3 from my friend. So I got this now. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And stay tuned for the next one.